Hi guys, welcome to
Hello.
the 10th episode
Oh my
of
god,
Tea
I
with
can't
Tea.
believe it.
I know, right?
This is exciting. So
Yes,
we've
yes.
decided that after every 10 episodes, like we're going to have an unplugged episode
No,
where we
after
cannot
every 9 episodes. So,
Yeah.
10th episode. Every 10th
10,
episode
20,
will be.
30, 40, as
Yeah.
many episodes that you get it. So
Yeah.
it's going to be an unplugged episode where we cannot edit anything except for adding the intro music. So here you go.
And I love this unplugged idea so much because you don't have to edit anything.
I know, right?
So it is so amazing. But we'll have to think twice about speaking anything because whatever we say is not going to be edited out. Now here's the thing. I cannot think. I prefer not to.
She cannot
So-
think, everybody. You heard it here. She cannot think.
I can, but I don't think the things I should think about,
Oh shoot, now I can't make those really bad jokes like that, are kind of PG-18. We can't cut that out this time. So
Yeah.
I'll have to think about that.
Exactly. So, Charvi, hush, 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 hush.
Yep.
Okay, so Charvi is muted right now because her brother is somewhere over here. And since this is an
Yeah.
unplugged episode, okay, Charvi is back. Since this is an unplugged episode, she can't do anything about it. So, guys,
Yeah, exactly.
the irony is that this is an unplugged episode, so everything should go smoothly and all, but
Which is not going to happen.
yeah, we don't know what we're talking about. We just like, okay, Charvi called me up. She's like, Dhruvi, you want me? She didn't call me up. She texted me. She's
Yeah.
like, dude, pod question mark. I said, yeah,
You
wait.
remember the
After some
text?
time. Yeah, I remember the text. I said, wait,
Wow.
when my mom comes, she'll bring her laptop, then we'll do it. She said, cool. No, she said, OJ.
I meant to say okay, but
She said
alright.
OJ. Then I liked the message. Then when my mom came, her laptop bailed on me. I could not. It wasn't connecting to the internet. I'm not sure why I'm
They just
sharing
weren't
this with
feeling
you.
a connection.
Oh. Yeah. So now I'm recording this on my phone. Well, Charvi is
Yeah.
recording this, but I am in this Zoom
Using
meeting
your phone.
via phone.
You can just
Yes.
say I'm using my phone instead of being I'm on this Zoom meeting via my phone, via my mobile. Is it when people say mobile, I think of like old people because I feel like in a particular era.
Never mind.
But mobile sounds so
On my cell phone.
okay, boomer, on my phone. That sort of thing. So
Sure.
and guys, actually today was supposed to be a really fun episode with a bunch of
It was
people.
going to be such an amazing episode.
Yeah, with a bunch of people who I would like to address as friends, but they bailed on us. So with a bunch of people, we were gonna play Truth or Drink, and it was gonna be really fun.
Not
but like,
truth or drink. It was going to be like if they don't, because you can't see
No,
us, so
wait,
you
wait,
won't know if.
don't reveal it. Don't reveal it.
Okay,
Don't
sorry.
reveal-
Sorry, guys,
Yeah.
I'm not revealing it to you guys. It was going to be truth and dash.
But okay, fine, whatever. Yeah, it was Truth and Drink, and there was a substitute for drink, which you'll get to know in the episode which we film with them. I don't know which episode that's going to be. They might bail on us again. Story of my life. And now don't start
Story
singing. Don't
of my
start
life.
singing.
You had it coming. You brought this one on yourself.
No, yeah. People see.
Oh, in case you
please
did
get
not
me
know,
a
I'm a
co-host.
huge directioner.
We know, Dhruvi, in every episode until now, you have mentioned your unending love for One Direction.
That's not my fault.
It is actually. Speaking
They
of songs,
deserve it.
let's just get over with the song of the week right now. I'm going to suggest a song now. Enough of One Direction stuff.
Hey,
I was going
I'm
to say One
sure.
Direction shit,
I'm
but
sure.
I didn't want to hurt you.
I'm sure that our audience, which consists of like 10 people, not more than 10, we have 11 people. No, I don't know. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I'm sure our audience will love One Direction, or they already do.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it is such an amazing boy band. It was a boy band,
Sad.
but like, yeah, so sad.
So the song of the week is People Watching by Conan Gray. People, I love Conan Gray so much.
He loves Conan Gray.
Yes. And the fact, like this song, oh my god, I can't even edit out me not knowing how to talk in English. Never mind. I'm gonna start again. So I was saying this song is really good. Like the whole concept, not Dhruvi texting somebody while. Are you texting somebody?
No, I was playing with never mind.
It looked like you were typing.
Why would I type if my phone is over there?
I know, like, I don't know, like, if a notification pops up and then you know how there's an option, you just like
My phone
directly
is
reply
over
from
there. My phone doesn't have a keyboard that I type like this.
No, but like, if you're like tapping on the screen,
Then it would look like this.
okay, fine.
Yes,
Okay,
I
people,
was
back
playing
to
with
people.
this.
Oh, shush, shush,
I was,
shush. No
was
one wants to
playing with
listen to
this.
you. No, Dhruvi, no one. Okay,
It
fine.
is this.
Even I'm fiddling with this mechanical
No,
thing.
but yours is, mine is this. It is my nail.
Yeah, okay.
Continue.
People Watching, I love that song so much, and especially the music video. So it's about how everybody around Conan, not even Conan, like just everybody around single people are in love, and aka me. No, I'm not in love. I'm the single person. So the single people, aka me, are
Oh,
surrounded
really?
by
You're
people.
single? I never thought so. Huh, interesting.
Oh, is that supposed to be a compliment?
No.
Okay, fine. I'm just gonna walk away, not say anything,
Bye-bye.
accept defeat. So yeah, so it's about how single people are surrounded by people who are falling in love and doing all that PDA stuff and annoying stuff. I mean, to be honest, I feel like I would be the person to do all that annoying stuff, but okay. And then the best part is that it's set in a cafe. So it's like Conan is working at that cafe, and you know, usually people who are in love or whatever go grab a cup of coffee or something. So it's like the best setting for his music video. And then there's this line, cut people out like tags on my clothing. Like that's so creative. And Conan Gray,
Yeah.
I love you. If you're listening to this, Conan, hi.
Hi. Nilu William Harrison. If you are
Hi.
listening to this,
Hit me up.
hi.
Oh my god, she's so happy just by the thought of, you know, them listening to this, even though I mean they're not. Sorry,
Usually I'm
Devi.
the one listening to their voices, not the other way around.
Yes.
Yeah. So that was Charvi obsessing over Conan Gray. See, I told
I
you this
wasn't
was supposed to be an unplugged episode, but I think we're just going to cut that part out since it is
Why?
my turn for editing, because no one
What
wants
are
to
we
hear
cutting
you
out?
obsess over Conan Gray.
No,
don't worry,
people
I'm not
want
cutting
to,
it out.
No.
Don't worry, I'm not cutting it out. Guys, if you are listening to this, that means I have not edited it out. And please send which emoji should I tell you to send? Please send Charvi, why are you checking yourself out in the camera?
I'll tell you.
Which emoji
I'll
should
tell
they send
you.
if they can listen to this?
The champagne, two glasses dinking each other emoji.
Yeah, send that one. The cling one.
You know, for the last episode, remember how we talked about the cake emojis?
Yeah, one person sent it
person
to us.
So one person
Yay.
fully listened to it.
Exactly. Other people, what are you doing? Please listen
Exactly.
to us. Please.
So the reason I'm not checking myself out. So
Exactly. And it's creeping me out.
so what happened is कि I'm facing this dilemma. So this might be TMI for guys. It's not supposed to be TMI. It's like normal or whatever. But you know how people get like waxed or they shave or yada yada yada. So usually the place where I go to get waxed, they like shifted. So it was actually really close to my place. So I'd go walking and it was very convenient. But now they shifted. And then my mom called this person over to do the same thing at home, but like she hurt me so much. Like I was in unbearable
Even
pain.
vaccine people are hurting you now, Charvi.
Oh my god, this is not funny. Like dude, I have a considerably high pain tolerance. Is that the term? High pain
Yes.
tolerance. Not Dhruvi playing with Nerf bullets.
Oh my god. Charvi, give me a break.
Yeah, so people so I was like in tears and I'm like, dude, no, this is not happening again. I'm not getting waxed by the same person again. So then I was like, what now? So I got to know from a friend that she uses those Veet is not
You shouldn't do
sponsoring
that.
us, people. Veet wax strips, Dhruvi, not the hair removal cream.
Oh, okay.
They have like wax strips, and so I asked mama to get them to try, and they're actually not that bad. I only waxed like a particular patch of my leg, and it's gonna look so it doesn't look that weird because I didn't have that many. No, I'm showing Dhruvi my leg where I
And it looks like you took your leg off and you're showing it to me.
Okay, maybe I am. You never know.
Never mind.
Yeah.
And
you know
you should call.
you should.
Bol.
Arey tu bol.
Bol. Chari, bol.
Arey. And so it came. First of all, it smells really good. I'm talking now. It smells really good, and it comes with these like wipes that you can use later on, and it like makes your skin so smooth and it smells so amazing. And now the major problem is I can't find any upper lip wax strip thingies, and so my mom was like, you know what, you can
just cut the normal ones in half.
Yeah, I looked it up on Google if I could do that, but someone is like, no, that's a big no. I tried doing that and I ripped my skin off, and I'm like, okay, I'm not doing that, thank God. And so then my mom is like, you know what, you can just take your cycle and go to this place nearby to get it done.
Cycling.
And I'm like, no, dude, I do not want to interact. There is something about parlors and beauty salons.
Oh yeah, I hate them too. I hate them
because the people are like they talk. Yeah, they talk to their co-workers as if you don't exist.
They will gossip in front of you.
They're like, oh my god, look at her hair, it's so dry. And I'm like, dude, I can hear you.
So guys, now we know that Charvi's hair is dry. Continue.
It's not dry. I have a lot of hair fall, which I don't know how to fix because I've been doing so many things. But I mean, I don't have the time to care about my hair. So, whatever. And I mean, I don't have anybody to impress. So, okay.
Sure.
And so, okay, so
don't come
now...
to me when you're bald, but okay.
I wish I could pull that off though. A bald look, that would be amazing. But I don't think I can pull it off. So now people are gonna start making memes of me being bald, as if we even have a fan base to make memes. So I think I'm good for now. Yeah, so then now people, what I've decided, I was just before Dhruvi called me for the podcast recording session, I sat down with a pair of tweezers and a mirror, and I was trying to remove the hair from my upper lips, and that's why I keep on looking at myself to see if I look presentable. But
You do.
oh, thank
No,
you.
you're not.
Oh
Yes,
my,
you do. No, you're not. Yes, you do.
thank
Why don't you
you.
just... Yeah, so I'll tell you what I was trying to say half an hour ago. So, why don't you call Urban Company? I do that all the time.
Now I know I considered that, but see, the thing is, if I'm getting a way to not interact with any person at all for this whole process, I
my.
can, because the wheat.
Why are you
Wheat
saying wheat
wax.
continuously?
I know I'm saying wheat, but
You were like,
wheat is like
wheat,
WHEAT, and wheat is like VEET. So wheat
Yes.
wax strips. Like I don't require somebody to
Not
wax
wheat
my
as in
legs.
gehu, which reminds me of...
Oh no! Shut up.
Just whispered something. And people who go to my
Yes,
school...
I'm smelling
Are
my-
you smelling your leg?
Because it smells good. The thingy, the wipes that I used, they smell really good, dude.
Cool.
Dhruvi is so weirded out right now.
Obviously.
Because, dude, it smells like heaven.
Do you know what heaven smells like? And if you do, I have to take you to the... I was going to say the name of the place, but I can't tell the name of the place. Because then people will know where we live.
Oh, I know what you're saying. We were talking about it in sociology class, right?
Stefan was going to put
Yes,
us
yes,
over there. It's a mental hospital.
Oh,
I can tell you the place where it is located, or else you guys will know where we live. And then I mean, it's not that
as
many
if we have a
people
million
outside.
fans.
Not that many
Hey
people
guys, I
outside
look
are...
cute today. I feel cute. Sorry.
Thanks for interrupting me, Jarvi.
No problem. dude.
So,
You know
so I
what?
was...
Okay. Sorry. Go on.
Never mind. I forgot what I was saying. Continue.
Wow. No, I was saying today, you know how, Dhruvi, okay, so Dhruvi does this thing whenever, like she's wearing her hair down, she keeps on like, how do I describe this motion? She takes
Doing
her
it.
hand.
You
in
run your
front of-
fingers
Huh.
through your like...
through the top
hair.
section of your hair to make it more
Yeah,
voluminous.
through your scalp. No, I just do it. It's just my habit. I just do it.
Okay, whatever. But it's supposed to make your hair more voluminous. So I discovered
know
that if I do that to my hair before putting it into this low ponytail, it makes these front pieces look kind of better. And like, I don't know why I'm sharing this. It's because this is like we haven't planned anything for this episode. So I'm just talking about my day.
Sure, everyone wants to listen to that. Why am I acting so rude? Continue.
Yeah, that's
I'm not
my
this rude,
job.
guys. Exactly.
See this? You do this, and
Yeah,
now my
they
hair
can
looks
see us.
like I'm mad. Like not mad. I'm
That's because
have-
you are.
I have been electrocuted. Yes, electrocuted is the word, everybody. So, and then you put your hair. Why am I giving a tutorial? They can't even see me.
Audio tutorial: how to comb your hair like Charvi Thakkar.
Yes. I've never really liked my hair, like at all. Either it's kind of gotten better after I came back from came to India from Zambia. Came from Zambia. Oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But it's gotten better, but I still don't like it. I don't like curly hair on me specifically. But I feel like it's become a character trait. I don't know why I'm talking so much.
Good. No, you would
Okay.
look very bhangar without curly hair.
Bhangar international viewers means you look very bad.
Not good.
Yeah. Maybe the opposite of not good is bad. You could have said bad.
The opposite of not good is bad. Our English topper, everyone.
The opposite of good is bad. So sorry.
The synonym of not good is bad. Oh my. Wow.
Okay, fine. I'm not the English topper. Dhruvi is. Dhruvi is Neha ma'am's darling.
No. And
So hi,
Okay, we
Neha,
were
if you're
having this.
listening to
We
this.
were having non-verbal communication right now because I mean this is an unedited
Okay, so
episode.
that's a story, yeah, for another episode.
I am glaring at Charvi right now.
Guys. Oh my god.
Guys,
I was going to
okay,
take a
why am I saying
screenshot.
guys? Wow, Charvi just took a screenshot.
I was going to, but then he stopped getting mad at me, which I
Yay.
don't appreciate for the first time.
Okay, since we have nothing to talk about, Charvi, which TV show are you currently watching?
Oh ma! Last episode was
What
good.
was that reaction? So guys, Charvi is watching Oma.
I'm going to fall off the bed. Okay,
Please
guys,
do.
I don't usually record on the bed. I usually record by my study table. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I don't want people to think that I'm so unprofessional that I sit on the bed and like lounge. I mean, there's nothing wrong in recording a podcast while sitting, and I'm talking too fast. The point is,
I know.
I was James Charles, who? Because James Charles also.
Yeah,
actually-
he talks really fast.
Hmm. I'm watching Peaky Blinders, atypical or atypical. I don't know. People don't butcher me. I think it's atypical stuff because like autism. That's why I got confused with like, but it's atypical. It's atypical. Yeah.
It's not atypical.
No, but I thought
Charvi,
Because it's like-
atypical. Charvi,
Oh,
autism is
because-
AU.
Huh, so
TISM.
odd. Arre, fine now, people. I'm dumb. So I am watching
I
Peaky
know.
Blinders. Okay.
And
Atypical.
ATP, what is the spelling? ATY. Pickle.
Pickle. PICKLE. Pickle.
Atypical. Oh, Charvi ate a pickle. Get it?
Atypical.
Charvi ate a pickle. That should be the
Oh.
episode's name. Charvi ate a pickle.
No, nah, that's too vague. And for 1 second ka joke, you want to name the whole episode Charvi ate a pickle. The last episode, Charvi is not an awkward nerd. And now all episodes are like Charvi this, Charvi that, Dhruvi is non-existent only. It was
Charvi
I'm a
ate a pickle.
narcissist. Where you're the one who's
That
naming the
sounds so
episodes.
wrong.
Oh my, Dhruvi, I thought we talked about me not making PG-18 jokes, but now you are. Did I just instigate you for a screenshot? Maybe.
My jaw is aching from silently yelling at Charvi.
Guys, I just instigated her for a screenshot.
Anywho. So guys, I am currently
Guys, do you like
watching-
pickles? Or
1
girls?
second, Charvi.
Guys,
yeah.
girls. And
Yeah. Can I continue, Charvi?
no.
Mm.
So
1
okay,
second.
so no, yeah. So guys, until now, like we have been using the term ladies and gentlemen, and so one of my friends corrected me and said that we should not use ladies and gentlemen, but ladies, gentlemen, and I don't know what's the correct phrase to be using. Just give me a second. I will correct myself. So
Guys, what has Charvi been back bitching about me?
ladies, gentlemen, and others. So I'm sorry if we've been using just the term ladies and gentlemen until now. I'm sorry if we've hurt anybody's sentiments. But from now on, we'll be using ladies, gentlemen, and others.
Or can we just stick to guys? That is like everyone.
But when we use ladies and gentlemen, we should not like
Yeah.
just say ladies. You know,
Yeah.
guess who pointed this out? Don't say the person's name.
I know. I
Oh,
read
because it
the
was on the-
text.
No,
It was
because
on
the
the
person.
group.
No. It was on the group, and before that, it was on personal text also.
Oh, okay.
And my
Yeah.
mechanical pencil isn't working.
Great. Yeah, so I was talking about the show which I am currently watching. I am currently watching Suits. It is so amazing. So I just got over with season 1. I'm on season 2.
Oh my god.
Yes.
How many episodes are there in season 1?
I think 12.
And how long are they?
40 minutes.
And when did you start it?
Saturday. I mean, like, yeah, I finished one whole season in less than a week.
Binge watching at its finest.
I'm doing my psychology project. Okay, so I have to binge watch.
Okay. I see.
Yeah. So guys, I'm on season 2 and it is amazing. Harvey Specter. Amazing. Amazing. And you know what? My least favorite character, well, now it is Daniel Hardman, but Charlie is so confused right now. But it was Louis Litt. Now see, here's the thing. Louis's spelling, yeah, it's Litt. So Louis's spelling is Louis, and Louis Tomlinson has the same spelling. Now I love Louis Tomlinson, former member of One Direction. I hate saying former member of One Direction. But
then
yeah,
don't
Louis
say
Tomlinson,
it
now. Louis Tomlinson, member of One Direction. I love him so much. And then we have Louis Litt, being a kalank
A lit
to the
person?
name. No, he's not lit. He's not lit. I don't know if if later on he'll be lit or not. I just started with season 2. So but I think he's a good person. He just doesn't show it. I mean, there are some instances where you think that, okay, he's a good person, but then he comes back to his normal Louis self. I feel it's so weird saying Louis because my whole life I've been saying Louis. That's the same thing which happens to me while watching F1. So there is this driver called Lewis Hamilton. His spelling is Lewis. So it's like people call him Louis. But I always I'm like, okay, it's Louis, not Louis. Louis Hamilton.
Louis Hamilton.
So yeah, that is what I'm watching currently. I was also watching The Modern Family, but then because it is on Hotstar and Hotstar is not on my iPad, it is on my mom and dad's room's TV.
And she's too lazy, like you said in the last episode. We get it, Dhruvi.
Yeah. Yeah, so Chari, what's the time?
7:57.
Then I guess we are done with today's episode.
No, let's talk a bit more. What is this? We are done. See, people.
You said we have
Dhruvi is
to
the one.
complete. You said we have to complete our recording by 8, and it's 7:57.
Yeah, but we can talk for 3 minutes more, na? Or 5 minutes.
Let's talk for 3 minutes more.
3 minutes. That reminds me of a song by JP Sachs. Amazing. And now,
That will be the song next week. Continue.
Abhi se you're giving.
Spoiler alert.
What natak is this? Drama for our international viewers.
Oh my god, we hardly have one international viewer, I think. I don't know.
No, it's just that they're not regular listeners.
Yeah. International viewers, what are you doing? Be regular, please.
You do realize
Every Sunday,
because they're not
5:30
regular, just because they're not regular in listening to us, they won't be able to reach this episode and actually listen to this part where you're asking them to be regular.
But still, so everyone, every Sunday, 5:30 p.m. IST.
Oh, making it official by saying IST.
Obviously. By the way, for people like Charvi, IST is Indian Standard Time.
I thought it was International Standard Time.
That's why I told you, Charvi. Dumb. I just quoted someone by saying dumb. Like
Who
that,
did you
that...
quote? Oh.
Because that person is always like dumb. Yes. Guys, we are whispering again. Because we can't name people like that.
Pyar is all that it is. Pyar.
Okay, yeah. Charvi is talking in code language. So
Huh, I am actually. Yeah, I got
guess
it.
what? Guess the person's notification came right now.
Oh, you know that reel? It's like play this sound,
Yeah.
and your
That
soulmate
happened
is
with me.
good. You tried that?
And
You were
never
foolish enough to try that?
No, it's like, look, whenever I watch that reel, the song plays, right? So whenever I play that song, I don't receive a single text. What is this?
Next time, tell me. I'll text you.
Okay,
when
I'll be like
that's
3,
sound.
2, 1. Charvi.
And I'll be like, hi. I'm here to confess my undying love for you.
Oh, so
While
can I
you
say
proceed to play with the
person
Nerf
X,
bullets.
person Y, person Z, and person Alpha that you are mine?
Yeah, you can tell them.
Okay.
Lol, not me being so confident as if I have those people to pine over me.
Sure. That gave me a Jake Peralta vibe, like cool. But I'm like sure.
Okay, fine, we get it. You're dumb.
I never said that. What do you want to name this episode?
I have no idea.
Let's name this episode I have no idea, because we have no idea what we're talking about. When I asked you what we are talking
We have
about,
no
you said
idea.
I have no idea. Yeah.
We have no idea. There are two
we have no
people.
idea.
If you forgot about me.
I actually forgot myself. When I said I got an idea, I was
See, you want to
referring-
name every episode like which is related to me only.
Don't flatter yourself.
Why are you being so moody today? This is not you.
Alistair Moody. Where are all my HP fans at? And by HP I mean Harry Potter,
Not House Party. That was an era. House Party. Oh, it brings back so many memories and it led to so many things happening later on in life. You know, maybe like 6 months later or something.
Exactly.
Dhruv is asking me to shut up.
No, I'm not.
I feel like this episode is full of just like code words and secrets, and everybody is like,
We should
Just
name this
go.
code words and secrets.
why do you want to make everything I say into the title of our episodes?
Name this whatever Charvi says. Guys, by the time this episode airs, we've already, thought about a name for this episode.
Obviously.
Let's name this episode obviously.
Yaar.
Hmm.
I thought you were gonna say let's name this episode Yaar. I was
Let's
legit
name this
at the-
episode Yaar. I was going to say that, but then I was like, no, international viewers won't understand what Yaar means. And Yaar is used in different contexts. Like Yaar means friend. But when you say, oh Yaar, you know.
I never use it as Yaar means friend. I always say Yaar means oh my god.
I know, but like in the literal meaning, Yaar means friend, right? Like, Tera yaar hu main.
No, but then that means something else only, na. Yaar can
No.
also mean like a close person.
Yeah. Oh, so friend is not a close person?
No, I meant like, you know what, guys? I've drained myself today. My brain has not been working since 4 o'clock because of.
Oh, yeah. The meeting, yeah.
Yeah. We
Remember
had to join a meeting for.
I I was doing my eco project. No, eco not. What was that? Psychology project.
Only. Oh, okay.
No, I was doing eco homework. Then I did my psychology project thoda sa. And then it was like, hey! And I was like, what?
And
You guys, you won't
I couldn't
understand this
stop.
part.
No, but I feel like that person might be listening to this. So, hi, person who said, hey. So, guys, I couldn't stop laughing for an hour straight because of what was happening in that meeting.
I know, right?
And we can't actually give you more details because we don't want to like hurt anybody in any way.
How will it hurt people?
Because if
Tell
you
me,
mention
how are you drinking water?
like this,
Guys, Charvi is a lost cause now. RIP that Charvi. Hey!
Charvi is not, but at least Charvi is a better cause than because.
Oh my god, you remember that joke from like
can't
episode
forget
2?
I even quoted it in the last episode and I can't forget it now.
Guys, if you don't understand our joke, this because joke, check out our episode number 2.
Maybe don't check out episode number 2. I'm
Why?
embarrassed of our initial episodes.
I'm embarrassed of you, Charlie. That doesn't mean that I'm removing you from the podcast.
Dhruvi's first dialogue was, "Hi, my name is Dhruvi and I love to talk."
It's not a dialogue, Charvi.
Like Dhruvi's first line, whatever first sentence he ever spoke.
My first appearance on Spotify.
Hi guys, my name is Dhruvi and I love to talk. I'm like, hi guys.
That's it for introduction.
Yeah.
That is it for our introduction.
We thought we
Hi,
were
guys,
being
I'm
so
Dhruvi
cool and smart. We thought we were being so cool and smart. And that was maybe 2 months ago?
It was July 6th when that episode.
No, when
June
we
6th when
recorded
that
it.
episode aired.
We recorded it in May.
We recorded it in May. We recorded 4 episodes in May.
Yeah, we were so productive. And now we can barely
4
record
episodes
one.
recorded and edited. And now we're like, we have to post an episode on Sunday and it is Friday night that we're recording it.
Oof.
I swear whenever, so Charvi and I take turns in editing, okay? So whenever it is my turn in editing, we record on Friday. I start editing on Saturday. I send her the podcast, the final podcast by 3 p.m. ish, and we have to post at 5:30.
I mean, at least we get an episode up.
Yeah. So yeah,
I think
we are done
that's
for
about
today.
it for today's episode.
Can we name this episode Nerf Bullets?
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, if you have reached till here, and if the episode's name is Nerf Bullets, that means Charvi kept her word. And if it is anything except for Nerf Bullets, Charvi bailed on me.
Wow. But yeah, I could name it something else. And you would never know. I mean, you'd know.
Obviously, I would know.
But you wouldn't, I won't be able, I mean, I could change it. But why did I just tell you that? I'm going to name it
Charvi's planning on bailing on me.
I already bailed on you, honey.
Aw, you called me honey.
In a sarcastic tone, idiot. I don't call people honey for the sake of being like, oh my god, you're so nice, honey. I'd be like, you're so irritating, honey. Get away from me, honey. Ew, honey.
Yo, honey, sing.
You remember that day you're vibing to this song of his?
Yes!
Which song was it? Desi Kala Ka.
Kesha's birthday.
Maybe
I forgot the song. I forgot the song. You were vibing to that song.
It was Desi Kala Ka. Kala.
And I'm struggling to pronounce a word. Priceless.
Shut up.
Worthless.
Oh my god, Dhruvi. Why are you being such a me today?
Me as in mean? Median mode.
What? No. Okay, so guys, this is the saturation point that we've reached of Dhruvi, Vaishnav. Okay, so now, guys, that is it for today's episode. And why isn't Dhruvi saying anything?
What should I say? I tore my bullet.
Very good. Very good. So guys, that's it for today's episode. If you liked this unedited episode, let us know. If you want more,
we will do more.
We are going to do more if you like it or not.
Like
because
each episode will be unplugged and then we won't have to edit ever again.
I don't think people are going to listen to us then. And we might end up exposing a lot of people in just one episode. So I feel for the sake of others and ourselves, we will continue editing the episodes.
But if you still want us to do unplugged episodes every time, just tell us.
Sure, please. And don't forget to head on over to our Instagram account, that is tea.with.teens, t.with.teens. By this time you would have seen 3 reels uploaded on that account, but I mean, because of a person named Dhruvi Vaishnav, no, I'm not even going to call you Vaishnav now, because of a person called Dhruvi Vaishnav, those reels disappeared because apparently she magically logged out of the account, and so we lost our drafts. Thank you, but don't worry, next week, no, not next week, maybe like after 20th August, or even maybe never, you know what, we don't know if we're going to film reels again after that tragic event, thanks to Dhruvi Vaishnav.
Peace out.
See, you were roasting me now during the whole episode. I got my revenge.
Wait, my earphones are falling from my ears.
Of course, she'll log out if she's
what?
Nothing.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.
Toodles.
So I now stop recording.
Shanti.